how to buy Pepecoin token. So this token came under the symbol of PEP. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available on WEEX. So if you don't have an account on WEEX, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on WEEX and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on WEEX, go and log into your account on it. So what you need to do after that, go back to this post from the WEEX account and copy the symbol of that token called PEP. Now copy it, go and click on search. Now paste it here as you can see. So wait a few seconds to be able to see this pair called the PEP USDT. So you will be able to find it here. Where is it? So as you can see, you'll be able to find it here, the PEP. As you can see, this is it. You need to make sure that you find the right one, the PEP USDT, not PEPU or not Pepe, the PEP USDT. Now after that, click on it. So wait a few seconds to be able to see this page as you can see, and remember and confirm that you select the right token called PEP to USDT. So after that, go to this section called buy. Now click on limit and here type how much you want to buy of that token. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see the equivalent of that USDT that you want to use it to buy this token. So after that, click on buy PEP. Now if you select the markets, now drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and after that click on buy PEP. So this is how to buy PEP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.